Alright, hello world, welcome back to another video. In this video, we're going to keep working on this Uno socket project. So this is what we have so far, right? We basically generate card for all the players. We got all the players here. And then we initialize all the player and we can print out all the player's card. Like so. Nice. So now what we want to do is we want to say, I want to start adding print card feature that's actually going to print all the card nicely, right? It's going to print all the card nicely. So because this is a text-based game, so we can't really, use actually use an image, unfortunately. So we have to use text, and one of the most important things is color. So here, I'm gonna say this from. I don't remember the name. Let me try to search it up. Color print Python. Let's see if there's a. I don't want to do the NC code thing. There's literally like a library that's have like colored. I just forgot the library name. Yeah, should be on the stack. Yeah, from term color. That's what it is. From term color, import colored. Right, and in here we can say this: print colored, and then the card. We can say card dot number, and then I can say card dot color. Right, so you can say, so that's gonna handle all the possible printing cards. So now in here we can call the print card method. We did print card. Yeah, print. Let's call it print cards actually. Fix that. Yeah, like so. I'm just gonna comment these lines out really quick. Let's run it. Okay, so we need to pip install term color first of all. All right, perfect. And then we can say, oh, sorry, that's Django. Now what we supposed to do? What main.py again? All right, nice. Now you can see we got these nicely. Okay, apparently black is not a possible color. Alright, so in here, I'm gonna do something. I'm gonna say get card text. Right, so in here, we're gonna say if number equals 0, it's gonna be return self.special ability. Else, just return self.number. Right. Alright. Let's see. If there is a, what's that error? Except, is that attribute error? I'm gonna pass for now. No. Wow. That's amazing, isn't it? Oh, I call it print. It shouldn't be. I shouldn't call it print. It should be just called like that. Okay, didn't print anything out. Not good. Let's try again. Oh, the value? Why would you do? Where is it? Oh god, I forgot that number. Okay, black is gonna be an issue. Because there is no supported black color. I guess that makes sense. We use white instead. Right, because suppose we use white instead of black, because the terminal is also black. So may as well just using white. Let's see how it works now. There is apparently no special card that's... Oh, there is. 0. Nice. So white works. Alright. Okay. So I don't want to just say print colored card.getCardText. It's gonna be really... It's gonna be super weird, I feel like. Alright, perfect. So you have blue skip and yellow reverse. Nice. So now I think everything's set up properly. Right, and then in here, so I'm thinking how the game's supposed to go. I think for now, we're just gonna implement so there's only a way to support like local players, right? So it's all gonna happen in this main thread, for example. Alright. So now we know how to print cards. So now let's go ahead and get started by playing the game. We might need to define a new game object. Yeah, might need to define a new game object. Oh my god, what the... So I have player 1, player 2, player 3, and player 4. Right, self.player1 equals player 1. Self.player2 equals player 2. Self.player 3, self.player 4. Yeah, I think we define a play method. So let's see. How would the play method work? Well, we'll go ahead and ask which card do you want to play. Now, there is not a method. So we can say, okay, ask players, right? So we can ask get. So you can say prompt card. So how does that gonna work? It's basically, it's gonna ask user what card do you want to do. So we can say card equals input type card you want to play. All right, and then maybe in here we can say what type of card you want to play, and then want to check, make sure this card is valid. So how to be able to represent the card? So I think we'll need to decide a format. It will be number / special ability. So number or name dash color. All right, we can do that. And then we'll say def check card exist. So basically it's given a card, which is a stir object. And then we're gonna check, and then we're gonna check self. Basically. So basically in here, you're gonna just say for C and self.card. Yeah, I can do that. If C.getCardText is card, return true, otherwise return false. Sure. All right. Get card text. No, this won't work. We need to... Yeah, let's say we do this. Oh no, here I can just say this. Self.getCardText. Right, that's that. Self.color. Yeah, we can say dash self.color. Alright, gonna pass for now. Let's see. I'm gonna say dot. I'm gonna say stir C. So that should be on the same format. Return true. Right. Okay. So otherwise return false. So in here we want to say while and then I want to return a card. Right, that's basically the one that we will want to remove. So then once you prompt a card, we will also want to remove it from the deck. So in here we can just say okay, gonna have another method there just for remove card. So in here we're gonna say okay, it's gonna take in a stir object. So in here you're gonna say for C and self.card stir C equals card self.card to remove C and then break. Yeah, I could call remove cards. Go call remove cards, remove this current card. Remove card is not defined, which is literally defined down here, so we might just say self.remove card. Perfect. So that should handle everything. Hopefully handles everything. So let's do this. We'll go ahead and play the game and see how it works. Alright, we'll go ahead and play the game, see how it will work. So let's go to the game, and then basically let's just say player self.player1 dot. So this will be a player object. So self.1 dot prompt card, and then we can say print. Yeah, I can say something like game started, and then we can say self.player1 prompt card, and then self.player1 dot what cards dot print cards. Yeah. Okay. And we'll prompt the card. Yeah, no. Alright, let's see. Alright, absolutely nothing happened because I forgot to actually create a new game class. Alright, so we'll say import from game, import game, and G equals game. Alright, we're gonna have player 1, player A, player B, player C, player D. And then we'll say G dot play. Alright, and G dot play. Alright, so ideally, when I press play, it should work. Sweet. So, let's see. I forgot to add a colon space. We'll do that, because when I don't do that, I will forget. I will never change it. That would be so weird. Alright, let's try it out. Alright, let's say if I want to go with, what, 7. Right, we can say 7, for example. And then we'll say dash yellow. Our maximum recursion. Okay, looks like I accidentally implemented a recursion. But that should, I don't think that will cause that much of an issue. Ah, perfect. 5 yellow indeed gone. Let's say, yeah. All right, we'll start again. This time we'll do a skip yellow. Works. Let's do, ooh, I have 2 skip red. Let's do +4 dash white to make sure that works. Perfect. And we'll check the invalid option. Let's say +2 dash red. All right, doesn't work. Good. So in here, just say print not valid. All right, so that's that. What we want to do is, we also need to keep track of the previous card. Just a previous card, right? By default, will be none. If it's none, then everything can just go. Right? If it's none, then everything can just go. So basically, let's just say when they prompt card, we need to ask what's a previous card. All right, so when I prompt card, so that we know basically another thing we need to look out for, basically, because it either need to have the same number or same color, basically. All right, then either need to have the same number or the same color. So in here, now there's some potential issue is what happens if you use a special card, like if you do +2 and the other person did +2 and the other person did +2. Will they stack together, or will we handle it differently? So that's also something we need to decide, but not in this video, not right now. Okay, so let's go to player.py again. Remove card, that's check if card not rather than exists, I'm gonna say valid. Right, check card valid. Oh my god. Alright. So the sole purpose of this now is we're also gonna say if C equals card and also taking in previous card. Previous card. And oh my god, previous card dot color is C dot color, previous card dot number is C dot number. Yeah. You're gonna do a check. Yeah, we're gonna do a check here. Now we're just gonna card is not none. Then we want to do this. There are also some need to handle special cards such as everything card, stack card, etc. Or for now, we could just temporarily disable the special ability just so our life is easier. Anyway, let's try to type I don't know, reverse dash red card not found or not valid. So see, this thing breaks. All right. Else we want to do is if just equals card is returned true, like that. Let's say blue skip. So skip dash blue. Perfect. +2 dash green. Oh, I forgot it's not input anymore. Anyway, so that's pretty good. Yeah, I think that's all this video will do for now. Next video what we'll do is for the play gonna implement more. We're gonna actually be able to hopefully actually play a couple rounds of Uno, and the computer will make appropriate decisions. So for example, when there is not available card, which is gonna randomly give a user a card. For the sake of simplicity, stack that will be infinite. Or that will be infinite. We're not going to keep track of anything. We're just going to randomly generate a card, give it to the user. If it's not the color or not the number, well, keep generating the card until that reach. But yeah, so this is how far our Uno game has come. So that's pretty good. So we'll keep working on it maybe in the next video as well if I didn't plan to do a movie project. But yeah, thank you for watching. Stay safe and have a great rest of your day. DevWithMe, out.